Good morning, friends. Okay, it has been a minute since I've been on here talking about court TV. Life has gotten busy. Working, kids, dogs, everything. I've been up to here with everything. But I have to talk to you about Florida v. Redlick. Court TV is calling this the kitchen knife murder trial. I am calling it the daddy-daughter murder trial. You know why? Because Michael Redlick married his stepdaughter. What in the West Virginia is that? Sorry, West Virginia. But like, what? So, okay. She killed him. So that's what the trial was about. Like, them getting married was not what the trial was about. This is what happened. So Danielle Redlick's mom was dating Michael Redlick. Okay, that's fine, well and good. And then they got married. Apparently, they got married because she was suffering from cancer and he was being like a good friend and wanted to get her cancer treatment paid for. Fine, whatever. So her cancer treatment gets paid for because he has really good health insurance. He's like an NBA official, an NFL something. I don't know, something sports ballish. So he marries this woman and she continues to get sicker and she dies of cancer. Truth is, they were only married for 3 months. But still, they were dating before that. After this woman died, Michael Redlick started romancing his former wife's 19-year-old daughter, 20-year-old daughter, something like that. Gross. And he was like, don't worry, I'm going to take care of you. Also, can you take care of these other kids? Because they're younger children and I'm going to need a babysitter and that looks like it's going to be you. So he starts romancing her. I'm going to take care of you. You're never going to have to worry about a thing. Ultimately, they get married and have 2 kids. Fine. I mean, not fine. Ew, gross, but that's what happened. So they're married for 17 years and they have 2 children of their own. Right now, their kids are, I believe, 18 and 12, something like that. Michael and Danielle were both raging alcoholics and used to fight all the time, like just a hot, steaming mess. But Danielle was a stay-at-home mom and everybody loved her and she was like the soccer mom and picked up all the kids and baked the snacks and whatever. Michael was a fancy businessman and everybody at his office loved him. Meanwhile, back at the house, they're like drunk and going crazy every other night. She was like a battered woman and terrified of him. There's all these stories of her like getting beat up and sneaking out of the house and hiding from him, blah, blah, blah. One night, the kids are out. The 2 of them have a fight. He tries to smother her and she stabs him to get away. Therefore, she used a kitchen knife to stab him. He falls on the floor, bleeds out in like 5 minutes. Both of them were drunk when this happened. And so she was afraid. And so she ran away and hid in the bathroom for 11 hours. I think she was probably waiting to sober up. So she hid for 11 hours. Meanwhile, during this 11 hours, she tried to clean up the blood. She went on a dating website and at some point threw eggs at his car. I don't know if the eggs happened before or after the murder, but when I heard all these facts, I was like, oh, she's going down. Oh, no. She's going down. She's going to jail for a long, long time. So because of COVID, there are all these delays. The trial finally comes to court TV. She sat there with like stone face the whole trial. I'm like, girl, you better clean up your face because they about to send you to prison forever. So the jury heard all the evidence. I didn't hear all the evidence. I only heard bits and pieces and podcasts that were like, wait, he's dead on the floor and then she's on a dating app? What? And then when the cops finally come and show, she's like, I think he died of a heart attack. I don't know what happened. Meanwhile, she had cleaned blood off of his body. She had mopped the floor. Immediately, the cops were like, oh, this heifer did it. She's going down. And then she kept lying and lying and lying and lying. And so they arrested her. She's been in jail for 3.5 years. She's alienated from her children. Her daughter testified against her in a court of law. And then the verdict came back. This verdict had me floored. I was like, she's going to jail forever. Not guilty. The jury finds her not guilty because she's a battered woman and all that. And yes, like upon reflection, I think the jury got it right. She was clearly a battered woman. Also, I didn't hear all the evidence because I had better things to do. But wow, honestly, I hope she gets help because like She's estranged from her children. Nobody was at court to support her. Interestingly enough, nobody was at court to support him. Talk about alienating your entire family. Like, these two were clearly a hot mess. Now he's gone and she's free. I hope everybody gets on to like a better, healed, and happy life. But that is Florida versus Redlick. Look it up on Court TV. I'm sure by next week they'll have all the videos. You can get it on Court TV on demand. Anyway, happy Freedom Day, Danielle Redlick. Girl, get your life together. I'm going to go get my life together. I'm just leaving the gym. I need to go take a shower. You have a great, safe day. Bye.